If you're fairly new to Boalch-Mould Online and haven't done so, consider having a look at the general introductory video first. In this video, we'll look at how to submit corrections and new information into BMO. We've built in some features to make it easy to contribute edits right online. So let's get started, first with some updates to existing information. After you've found a particular instrument through any of the search methods, just click on the Edit icon, this one up here. If this is your first time to enter data into BMO, you'll be prompted for your name and email address. BMO uses cookies to remember you so that you only have to identify yourself once. Then you can do many edits without having to enter this information again. Notice the Edit button is temporarily replaced with a Cancel button with an X and a green Save button. Now expand the sections and use these boxes to type your corrections and new information. Notice all the existing information stays visible in the blue type above each box. That blue text will remain the public version until the editor merges your new information. Think of these empty boxes as the place where you can talk to the editor. You can be informal here. Let us know if the existing information is wrong or if your information is just additional data to be added. Databases tend to have lots of rules about what information goes where and in what format. But don't worry about that. Leave it to the editor to sort that out. You can just communicate whatever new information you have. You can get an idea of how the database uses each field by checking these little info buttons. They tell what kind of information goes in each field, usually with examples. But if you're in a hurry, just use your intuition and don't worry about the rules. Again, the editors will sort it out. After you've entered your corrections and additions, don't forget to click the green Save button. Later on, if you think of something else you want to add to the same record, you can go back to your edits by going back to the Instrument Details page and click again on the Edit button and pick up where you left off. Once the editor integrates your edits, don't worry, you should always feel free to search for the record in the usual ways and make another round of edits. Now we're ready to enter an entirely new instrument into the database. We've done a couple searches and we're pretty sure the instrument is not already in the database. To begin, just click again on Submit Data in the menu bar. Whether or not you have any pending edits listed there, now click the Create New Entry button and expand one or all the sections of the form. Now enter the information as you did when editing existing records. Filling every box is not required. Just add as much as you reasonably can. The editor might follow up with you if some particularly important information is still needed. When you're done or need a break, remember to click the green Save button. Your new entry now appears on the list of pending new data. As before, you can click on the blue date and add more information. And, as with the edits of existing records, the editor will finalize your data as a new BMO record, after which it disappears from the list of pending edits. You can see the now public version by searching the usual ways or check Recent Entries in the search menu. Your new entry will be somewhere near the top of the list. Open it and add more edits using the Edit button at the top. Please check over what the editor has done with your entry and make further edits if anything needs fixing. Now let's submit some photos for BMO. If there are no photos yet, the photo patch in the corner of the Details form lets you click to upload images. This big box appears. Just drag and drop your images or click anywhere in the box and browse to the photos on your computer. Then click Upload Files. Now you have an opportunity to add a caption if you think the image needs one. The photo credit line will already have your name, but you can change photo credits here. Finally, click Save Files and you're done. As with your text entries, the photos will be finalized into the database by the editor. If photos already exist for a record and you have more or better photos to submit, just open the photo viewer for that instrument and click this Upload button and the process will be the same. If you have information about maker biographies, just send an email to the Biographies editor. For convenience, there's a link at the top of each biography that opens a pre-addressed email to the Biographies editor. Well, that's how to contribute information and photos to BMO using online methods. Go ahead and give it a try, or if you really would prefer, just send us an email with the new information. Either way, we'll very much look forward to hearing from you.